You lost 2.
Alright, just got the table today. No tools required. Allen wrenches included. This thing is about over 100 pounds, so make sure that you don't carry yourself. It comes perfectly aligned with the extra protective covers all around it, so it can keep it scratch proof. Now follow the instructions. It should take you no time to setting it up. So we're going to put this together and see how long it takes me to put it together. Alright, now that I completed the table, I flipped it over. We put in the screw. There's a tie-in screw right here. Let me see if I can show it right there. That you push up to actually bring up the actual mat. So we push it down right now. Screw it down, and you can't pick it up until you loosen it up, alright? So we're going to put the top together and see how it looks. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start putting the tops. The sticky side, the thick side goes to the back, alright? They have indentations on both ends, so be careful which side you put first. Alright, best part is that you have these. They just hook up here, they drop in there. You add your cup holder. Also, they're adjustable, lift them up, move it to any corner you want. Anybody is sitting there can have their beverage.
6. I'll do 6.
Wait, I don't even know who's this one.
I put these 2.
Okay, I put these 3.
Alright, bets off, bets off. That's it.
Don't rush me.
16. Nobody, no winner.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11. Give me $200. This one, girl.
That's 100, and that's 200.
You triple. What? You triple worth?